Push this switch to illuminate the interior lights. Push it again to turn them off. The interior lights will automatically come on and stay on for a period of time when the ignition switch is placed in the off position, while all doors are closed. The doors are unlocked using the key fob or power door lock switch, while the ignition switch is in the off position. The driver door is opened and then closed with the ignition switch in the off position. When this switch is pushed, the interior lights do not illuminate unless individually pressed. If so equipped, push this switch to turn on the personal light. Push the switch again to turn it off. These are your luggage compartment lights. They will automatically illuminate when the liftgate is opened. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.